hell?
Was that a passing signal?
That's what kind of baffled me. I thought there was lots of time.
You want me to pass him and the van?
On the right?
Yeah, I was checking it.
Oh, shit. Oh. Hey guys, Jeff here.
Hi, Jeff.
Hello. We're heading up to do the pickaxe loop. We got our fearless leader up front, Duncan, on the KTM 890 Adventure, followed by Ernie on the DR650, Murray on the BMW 850 GSA, and myself. So yeah, we're just following a slow car right now, wishing we could pass. Ernie's going to pass him on the right, I think.
It is a bike lane.
There you go.
What was that Duncan said before we left about not wanting to feel like he was in a hurry today?
Oh, that goes out the window as soon as he gets on that seat. And he's always in a hurry.
Okay, so another 5 minutes we'll have coffee.
The f*** is that?
I don't know.
Smoke hut. They've got they're smoking meat in there.
I thought maybe it was break time and they were hot box.
Yeah. All right.
Guess we're going.
We're going.
Well, hey there again, everybody. So just a quick update about the Pickaxe Loop and our journey. The Pickaxe Loop is a 370-kilometer loop around the Ontario Highlands and Ottawa Valley that is mainly comprised of gravel roads, forest access paths, and some ATV/snowmobile trail sections. While the Pickaxe Loop can be completed in a day, it is highly recommended to do it over multiple days to enjoy and soak it all in. For day one, we are entering the Pickaxe Loop near Vennachar and will make our way clockwise towards Barry's Bay, where we will stop and check in at our air bed and breakfast, and then head out for the Poe Lake Loop section of the Pickaxe that will offer some more technical trail sections. Day 2, we will continue clockwise on the loop, heading towards Eganville, down to Calabogie for lunch, then back towards Vennachar where we started, to complete the loop and head home. However, as you will find out later, Mother Nature had other plans in mind, so stay tuned.
Vennachar.
Or Vennachar.
Vennachar? Better watching. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he must be trying to tap a waypoint.
Oh.
That's why I don't put them right after a corner, because you're trying to accelerate and change gears and then tap your... And the gravel begins.
There's already throwing rocks at me.
Very scenic.
Yes, it is.
Signal, Ernie.
Hey? Oh. I was doing the speed shifter here with no clutch.
Oh,
Oh.
It works.
I did that the last time I rode the Versa, and it worked too.
I do it on both bikes every now and then. You're just not thinking and just click it.
Yeah.
Go.
Carp Rod and Gun Club.
Long ways from carp.
Yeah, it's true.
Maybe it's the fish.
Yeah, that's right. Carp the fish.
Can hear the KLR tractoring around back there.
Pure power, baby. There's an interesting color sand or something mixed in with this gravel.
Yeah.
It's like a silver or something.
Silica.
Silica? Lovely.
Apparently you're supposed to roost.
No exit. Oh yeah, we're almost just 4.1 kilometers to Flying Club Road. I know we have to hit that. Cool.
Now you know where that silica comes from.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, we're in sand.
Ooh,
Good.
that's why it's getting soft. Front end will start to feel all wishy-washy now. You alright?
Yep. I was just changing modes here.
Okay.
You don't do that?
Yeah, mentally. Telepathically? Obstacle?
Hit that one on the right, not the left.
I got air on that one.
I don't know how you're getting there at the speed I'm holding you up at.
I just dropped back. Ooh, look at the dust up there.
Yeah. So, I think we lost Ernie.
Might have, yeah. That means you and I are connected together.
Yeah. That's the old airstrip there.
That's, oh yeah, okay.
To the right. Good thing the gate's open. You back there, Jeff?
Yeah, I just checked something. I'll catch you.
Okay. I'm not worried about that. Oh.
We're in town.
Paved roads, eh? Should have got gas here. It was cheaper.
Yeah. If we had turned left, we would have come out here.
Yes.
Straight across.
What are you doing?
Stopping on the bridge.
Jesus.
Doesn't want his floaty to blow away, I guess, maybe.
Needed to line it up.
What the f*** are you doing?
Heads up.
Jesus Christ.
I wonder if he heard you.
They certainly didn't see him.
Put a f***ing mirror on a car for a reason. Transport in front of us.
Passed him yet?
No. I'd have to pass this KTM first.
If you weren't dusty before.
That's okay, the rain will wash it off.
I don't know if it'll wash it off.
That'll make a paste at least.
Yeah.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Yeah. Make some good trails in my house using that.
Why are we going right?
I don't know.
Because our leader is.
Oh, I think he's pulling in. Hello?
Hello.
There we are.
Where you been?
Did you straighten him out?
I think we're good. I think we're good. It's funny though, he lost his maps, but I haven't lost mine. We both have no signal. So
Did he not download his map?
He said he did. This is gonna be fun. Up and over. Oh shit! Sorry. Okay. Thank you. I could. If I was more upright, this would be easier. Right there. 1, 2, 3.
High leg kick.
Yeah, that's the problem, eh?
Next straight.
Yep, 500 meters, yep. Right there.
Oh, we knew that.
truck coming.
Okay.
Thank you. I find my front end is washing bad.
Okay, it's not just me.
Yeah.
You're going too slow. Go faster, it floats.
Yeah. I've already determined my bike is slow.
You better put water wings on it.
No.
Gonna turn right here.
Okay.
Okay.
But we're going into Barry's Bay, right?
Yeah, like that will take us into Barry's Bay,
Okay.
I think. So hold on.
Watch behind you.
Yeah.
Watch.
Jesus.
Give her shit, buddy.
Yeah, this will take us to 60, but then we got to backtrack a little bit.
Okay.